Ready to instantly grab that awesome app or subscription without fumbling for your credit card. First, let's launch the App Store. Find its blue icon on your home screen. Browse or search for the app you want. Once you found it, tap on the Price button or the Get button, depending on whether the app is free or paid. You should see a purchase confirmation screen appear. Now, look for the Apple Pay logo. It usually appears along with the price. Now, here's the magic. Double-click the side button on your iPhone. This activates Apple Pay. Face ID will initiate a scan of your face. Alternatively, if you have Touch ID, place your finger on the home button. Once your face or fingerprint is recognized, a check mark will appear, confirming your identity. Keep your phone steady while the transaction completes. You'll see a progress bar filling up on the App Store screen. Once the purchase is successful, the Get or Price button will change to Open. That means your app is ready to use. Enjoy.